In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use management reports in QuickBooks Online. Management reports are polished packages of your key financial statements like profit and loss and balance sheet, bundled with a cover page, table of contents, and optional notes. They're ideal for monthly close reviews, board packets, or lender updates because they keep everything consistent and easy to read. First, open QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and select Reports. This takes you to the reporting center where you normally run individual reports. From here, switch into the Management Reports area. You'll see ready-made templates you can use right away or customize to match your organization's style and needs. Before running anything, open a template to preview it. In the preview, set the date to control the period for all included reports. Choose a preset like this month, last month, this quarter, or pick a custom range. For balance sheet pages, focus on the as of date. For profit and loss and other activity reports, make sure the start and end dates reflect the exact period you want to analyze. Aligning dates across the entire package keeps your story consistent and prevents confusion during reviews. As you flip through the preview, confirm the figures look right for the selected time frame. If totals seem off, double-check the date selection before you make deeper changes. This quick scan can save time later. When you're ready to refine the look and content, click Manage Report to customize the display. Here you can rename the package, edit the cover title and subtitle, and add your company logo for a professional touch. Turn the table of contents on or off, include page numbers and footers, and add prepared by or approved by lines to improve documentation. Choose which reports appear in the packet, rearrange their order, and for each one adjust columns, comparison periods, or the accounting method if needed so stakeholders see the exact details they expect. You can also insert a notes page to summarize results, explain variances, or outline next steps for your team. Once everything looks good, save your changes so you can reuse the same template next month without rebuilding it. From the preview, you can run the package and print or export it to PDF for sharing. If something doesn't look the way you want, hop back into Manage Report, make the tweak, and refresh the preview. And that's it. Open QuickBooks Online, go to Reports, head to Management Reports, preview and set your dates, then use Manage Report to tailor the layout and contents. With just a few clicks, you'll have a clean, consistent packet ready for any meeting.